Shakarim Kudaiberdiyev Avenue is located in the southeastern part of Nur-Sultan city in Almaty district. The avenue runs from Alexander Pushkin Street to Rahimjan Koshkarbayev Avenue, crossing Ilyas Jansugurov, Manas, Gabit Musrepov, Gabidyan Mustafin streets. Street length is 4,400 meters. Shakarim Kudaiberdiyev was a great poet, thinker and composer. In his childhood, Shakarim lost his parents and was brought up by his uncle Abai, who had a big influence on Shakarim's views and helped him to improve his poetry skills. Shakarim developed Abai's innovative traditions, became the second Kazakh realist poet after his uncle. Shakarim contributed to the development of Kazakh philosophy. Shakarim Kudaiberdiyev Street House School Gymnasiums number 52 and 63, City Clinic number 7, Toyota, Hyundai, Subaru automobile showrooms.